In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dashboards in Trello. Whether you're a project manager, team leader, or just someone who wants to get more out of Trello, having a dashboard brings your workflow to the next level. So, let's dive right in and get started on transforming your Trello board into a visually informative powerhouse. First, you want to open your web browser and navigate to the Trello website. You'll land on the home page where you'll need to log in to your account. Trello gives you several options for logging in, so pick the one that suits you best. You might use your email and password, or you could choose a social media login to speed up the process, such as Google or Microsoft accounts. Once you're logged in, it's time to find your way to the board menu on the particular Trello board where you want to create a dashboard. The main menu in the left panel of your board has numerous options, but your focus today is on finding the dashboard option. Now, if you don't see it right away, don't worry. It may need to be enabled first. Keep an eye out for an Enable button or a checkbox that lets you activate the dashboard feature if it's not already set up. With the dashboard feature now ready to go, this is where the fun begins. You can customize it to suit your needs and visualize your board data in various ways. Whether it's tracking progress or managing tasks, visual elements can make data interpretation so much easier and more intuitive. To start customizing, look for the plus button, which allows you to add new tiles to your dashboard. Clicking this will present you with various types of charts and graphs. Maybe you're interested in a bar chart to visualize team workload, or perhaps a pie chart to track task completion percentages. Choose the type of graph that will be most beneficial for your purposes. Then, you'll need to specify what data you want to visualize within that tile. This could be information like the number of cards per list, or cards sorted by due date, depending on what insights you're seeking. Once you've configured the dashboard tiles to your satisfaction, it's essential to save your changes. This step ensures that all your hard work customizing the dashboard is recorded and won't be lost. Saving your work finalizes the creation of your personalized Trello dashboard. And there you have it. In no time, you've made a dashboard that turns data into stories and gives you a clearer picture of what's happening in your projects. Feel free to experiment with different tiles and configurations to find what suits your workflow best. We hope this guide has empowered you to enhance your Trello boards with dynamic and insightful dashboards. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!